Ever find yourself struggling to unlock your phone because your fingerprint is not being recognized? Maybe you are holding your phone in a different hand or a finger is slightly wet. That's why today I will show you how to add more fingerprints on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for a smoother and faster unlock experience, no matter which finger you are using. Here's how to do it. Head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Tap screen lock and biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under biometric section, tap fingerprint. Now tap add fingerprint. Tap register. Press your finger inside the circle and leave it when asked. Then repeat until the process is complete. Once it's done, tap done. As you can see, the new fingerprint has been added to the list. If needed, you can repeat this process to add even more fingerprints if you want. As a note, adding more fingerprints make it easier to unlock your phone from either hand in different position, or even if one finger is wet or dirty. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.